Hey folks, this is a quick video of my 2011 Victory Vision Tour that I have on eBay right now. The first video I put out there, I don't know, I just wasn't happy with it. So we changed venue and we're going to try it again. Okay, there you are. Get a good look all the way around. As you can tell, I have these smoked out tail lights. D&D exhausts, powder coated. A lot of the motor chrome is powder coated. I'm just gonna give you a quick once around the Arlen Ness windshield. Okay, clear lights in front. Okay, we can zoom in here on the Arlen Ness 21-inch front tire. Powder coated forks, as you can tell. Looks great. Okay, we're coming around. Okay, we did not have the powder coated valve covers. We did powder coat. You can tell the brake arm. Again, this is just to get a better feel for what we're dealing with. Sometimes the pictures aren't good enough. This is actually where, I don't know if you can see them, where the buttons are for the heated seats. They're right in here. Speakers, backrest. You can tell more powder coating here. Got the extended foot grips, so your shoe won't mar the fairing. This is better radio that they put in the 11s. These are the Arlen Ness handlebars. Much better. Like I said before, your heated grips, hazards, HID, headlight. 1,620 miles now. And we're going to start it up in a second. Here is the power windscreen button. That's fully extended. As you can tell, that's a pretty big difference. And going down, you can tell that that's pretty good. Cruise control, tuning functions for the radio volume. Really good. Like I said in the ad, I took the baffles out, cylindrical baffles. You can put them back in if you like. I don't like, so I'm not putting them in. Easy to install though. pick up, but it sounds awesome in person. tell how smooth the engine is running. Idle is perfect. I've been driving around for a little while today. There you go. That's a real cool engine temperature right now. But I think you guys get a gist, you girls too, if you're interested. Get a better idea of when I got here. Priced right, ready to go. Summer's still here, fall's still here. You know, be a really nice time once the weather even gets a little cooler to go for a ride on this thing. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.